What I'm going to be working on is like try to figure out what the direction of the wind, which way the wind is coming. Okay, so I usually do is I go to 200 feet because 400 feet is the maximum and 0 right at the ground, so you're getting something right in the middle. This is 200 feet, and as you see it's leaning to the right. So what I do is I turn till the horizon gets straight. Okay, here's the horizon straight, so that's where the wind is coming from right now. Okay, I'm gonna give you another example. Like, okay, if I go like this, so it's leaning to the left, so what I do is I go to the left till the horizon is straight, and that's where the wind from. So right now I don't even have to look and check what the wind doing. I know the wind is coming from this way. So when I start flying and I do anything, I'll compensate for that wind. If I'm flying like this, I know the wind is coming from my right hand side, the wind is in my tail, and this is a headwind. Thanks for watching.